Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my year of savings. In my year of savings, I have $100 in prop money and some saving challenges that I am saving throughout the year. So let's get started. First, we are going to start with our every Friday of 2025. And this is created by Mandy's Money. And I am going to say the $18. So let's go ahead and color this one in. So 18, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. Perfect. And this, excuse me, and this money goes towards an extra payment towards debt. All right. So what I do after I finish the last Friday of the month, I add it up and put that towards the extra payment. Next, we have our weekly savings from Norella's Budgets. And what I'm doing with this one is I'm rolling a D8, and this goes towards my son's senior year. So that is a 6 for this week. So 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hopefully I got enough ones here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This sun keep on going in and out, in and out. Let me do 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Put those back and grab this 10. Perfect. So I can have some ones there. All right. Uh-oh. So next we are going with Save with Judy. And this is save $5 per icon. So I'm going to go ahead and put $5 in. And this is also saving for my son's senior year. Perfect. So 4 and 5. All right. Next we have Spring Fling. Even though it's summer, we're going to complete this. And this is going to go towards back to school. And I want to do $10. And this is created by Coco Chic Living. So let me see. We got 3, 6, 9, 10. Okay, $10. Do I need change? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, nope. That is perfect. Should I put 11? Let's do 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So let's do another $1. Let's do, I need a purple flower. Okay, purple. So all we have left is 3, 6, 9, 10, $16. Okay, $16. Like I said, that is for back to school. And I just went through, I usually keep like a bulk of everything, like notebooks, pens, mechanical pencils, folders and everything. When I can get them for like 15 cents, 25 cents and all that. So I went through everything, and pretty much they are good for like school supplies. I just need to get some more mechanical pencils that they like. And I believe that is it. And then the rest would be just like clothes, shoes, socks, undergarments. You know, you just want them to be fresh for the new year. We have Santa's Coming to Town. And this is created by Mischief Managed Budgets and Champagne's Corner. And I am going to put my $20 towards this challenge for Christmas. And I think we are working on this one here. I don't remember where we left off, so we're just going to go to start, and we're just going to roll. So, let me get my calculator. Let me move some stuff down. Perfect. So, we're just going to do 20 minus 3. We got 1, 2, and 3, so minus 2. Perfect. Let me get a marker. And we just making our way around the board. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5. We have to pick a card. So I'm just going to pick what's on top. Oh, wow. That is $10. So that's $10. Should I go again? Yes, let's go again. 5. 1, 2, 3. No, hold on. Start over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, goodness. We got the little gingerbread girl. Let's see what this one says. Oh, any amount. So we are going to, should I just do the $8? Or should I roll? Let's roll and see. We got 5. So minus 5. So $3 left. I think I'm gonna stop there. Yes, let's stop there. So that's good. We got a lot of ones done, and we finished a lot of these scratch offs. The roll is saved. I'm gonna save for last. Well, another time. We finished this one. We can't do a 3 on here, so we're gonna do a 3 on the catch-all here. And that is green. Where's my other green marker? I don't know. So 3 here. Oh, that is the right green. Okay. Minus 3. So that is the $20. Perfect. So that is just how I do this for Christmas. And I also have Christmas in my holiday binder too. All right. And put the $20 right on in here. Perfect. And it just worked out so perfect. So the Save 2025 and 2025 created by the Almost Organized Aisle. Is right here. Move everything over. Perfect. And I would have $40, and I'm gonna do these two 20s here. Excuse me. And let's go here and finish coloring this 20. And let's color this 20 up here. Perfect. And that is the $40. And that is another column down here completed. So then we're going to work our way on down. And this is saving for my taxes for next year. And that is nice. We got $900 in the bank, in the high yield savings. And it's 20, 40, 60, 75, 77. So $977. Perfect. Now think about putting these free in my Kofi. So stay tuned for that. Little like placeholder. And that is it, gems. That was $100 put into my year of savings, and I am happy so far. So thanks everyone for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please feel free to subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.